Have you ever tried scaling, rotating, or moving an element in Filmora, but it just doesn't behave the way you want? That's where the anchor point feature comes in. With just a small adjustment, you can completely control how your objects animate and move in your videos. Before we begin, please visit the official Wondershare Filmora website and download the latest version. Then install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming Filmora anchor point tutorials. What is anchor point? An anchor point is a specific location that acts as a secure attachment, a reference point for transformations in design or video, a point of control for a path, or a stable reference in a layout. Let's see how to use anchor point in Filmora. Step 1. Import your media. Start by importing your video or graphic into Filmora's media bin and then drag it and place it on the timeline. This could be text, an image, or even a video clip. Step 2. Open Transform Controls for Anchor Point. Go to the Settings panel on the right-hand side. Head to the Video tab, and under the Transform section, you'll see the Anchor Point controls. Step 3. Understanding the anchor point. By default, the anchor point sits in the center of your element. Think of it as the pivot point. This is the spot around which all scaling, rotation, and movement happen. If you rotate your clip right now, it spins around its center. Step 4. Move the anchor point. Click and drag the anchor point to reposition it. For example, move it to the bottom corner of your graphics. Now, when you rotate, instead of spinning in the middle, it swings around that corner. This gives you precise control over motion and design. Step 5. Creative uses. You can create some really cool effects using this. Spin text like it's hinged from one side. Make images grow from a corner instead of the center. Animate graphics in a more natural way. The anchor point basically lets you control how and where the animation happens. And that's the magic of Filmora's anchor point feature. Small change, huge impact on your animations. Try it out on your next project and see how it transforms your motion design. And let me know in the comments how you'll use anchor points in your edits. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. For more Filmora anchor point tutorials and video editing tips, subscribe to our channel and visit filmora.wondershare.com for templates, effects, and resources. See you in the next one.